night, doing a little winterizing. First winter for the first Supercharged Mazda 6. Swapping some wheels to the shiny ones with the all seasons. Doing a little modification here. Realized that my placement for both the oil cooler and the cold air intake are a little too good for winter. So I mounted this shield kind of cover for winter. This is just some old pond liner I had. That's literally, I had bought it for doing a raised bed. And I've got some excess. It's just Goodyear, good quality rubber. Just cut it to length. Really nice to have. Intercooler's looking great. No signs of leaks. A little bit of bugs, but that's all right. Now, the cold air intake, if you look at where it sits when the car is on the ground, that's about 8 to 10 inches above ground level. So it's not super low, but I realized that with the way I had modified the bumper to use the fog light blank was allowing road water and stuff to get right on the air filter. So what I'm rigging up is a deflector. Still let in lots of air, but deflect all of the water and debris down and away and not right on to the cold air intake. I do have a hydrophobic cover for it that I'll put back on, but it just cleaned the filter. So everything's looking pretty good. Gonna get the bumper put back on. So very pleased.